welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota Agya Stylix GR parts, a compact hatchback that's turning heads across the automotive world. Whether you're a city commuter, a weekend warrior, or simply a car enthusiast, the Agya Stylix with GR parts promises to deliver excitement in a small but fierce package. So buckle up as we take a closer look at this standout ride. First, let's talk about the design. The Agya Stylix GR parts is more than just a cosmetic upgrade, it's a statement. At the front, you'll notice the aggressive GR-styled grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights that give it an unmistakable road presence. The front bumper has been redesigned for better aerodynamics, with subtle but functional air vents that hint at its sporty intentions. Moving along the sides, the exclusive GR side skirts and 15-inch alloy wheels not only elevate its look but also improve handling by reducing drag and increasing stability. Under the hood, you'll find a peppy 1.2-liter engine paired with either a 5-speed manual or CVT transmission, delivering lively acceleration and surprising efficiency. While it's no track monster, the GR-tuned suspension sharpens handling, making cornering a joy whether you're navigating tight urban streets or cruising along twisty backroads. The steering feels precise and the ride is firm but comfortable, a delicate balance that Toyota has mastered in this little hot hatch. Inside, the cabin welcomes you with a sporty yet practical layout. Red contrast stitching, GR logos on the seats, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel add just the right touch of racing flair. The infotainment system features a 7-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected wherever you go. Even in a compact package, Toyota has not compromised on safety. You get advanced driver assistance features like pre-collision warning, lane departure alert, and stability control, all working together to keep you confident on the road. That's it for today's look at the Agya Stylix GR parts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know. Would you drive the Agya Stylix GR, or do you have another favorite in the compact car world? Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.